Namaste. Now we are learning MrutynjayaMantra. So Mryutyunjaya. So Mryutyunjaya is a Lord Shiva. So this is the shloka which actually we will chant during any kind of fear that we have, mainly from the fear of death. So we are completely surrendering to Lord Shiva, who is a three-eyed, and we are asking him, please take care of us, remove my fear of death. So this is the Mryutyunjaya mantra. So in the beginning itself, I told the meaning of the shloka. So now we'll start the Mryutyunjaya mantra. If you are in any kind of a difficulty, or if you have the kind of a fear, so please chant Mryutyunjaya mantra as number of times as you can. So you really feel a good positive vibe after you complete your chanting. So that is the power of Mryutyunjaya mantra. So here we'll start the mantra. Om Trayambakam 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 Yajamahe 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 Trayambakam Yajamahe Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Sugandhim, stress the dha little. Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Pushtivardhanam Pushti, tha, Pushti Vardhanam. Again the stress little more on the dha. Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. We'll say come from the beginning. Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Urvaru 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 Kamiva Urvaru Kamiva Urvaru Kamiva Bandhanan Bandhanan, stress the dha little. Bandhanan Mrutyor 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 Mukshiya Mukshiya Mamrutat 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 Mrutyor Mukshiya Mamrutat Mrutyor Mukshiya Mamrutat. Yes, we'll repeat. Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyor Mukshiyamamrutat. Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyor Mukshiyamamrutat. We'll say a little louder now. If you want, have a sip of water. Clear your throat and vocal cords. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Landing can be any of the two ways. We can follow any of the two ways. Tat. Okay, so last time we'll say once again. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. So this is a Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. So please chant this mantra whenever you feel very difficult, whenever you feel a fear of something. So please chant this mantra. This will take care of the rest. So you feel really positive and filled with active energy after chanting this mantra. You can chant n number of times. If possible, you can chant 108 times of Mahamrutyunjaya mantra every day. So please practice all the mantras till now. Do not skip any of the mantras. So keep practicing all the mantras. In the next one, we will see the next shloka. And leave me your feedback and any kind of difficulties that you are finding in the learning. Please drop a message. So that will be very easy for me to help you out. I'm very happy to help you out all of your doubts and the questions. And thank you so much. Thank you. See you in the next video.